let's go. I've got 5 senses, count with me. They're how I learn, they're how I see. Let's sing and move, come join along. It's time to sing the senses song. With my eyes, I look and see colors, shapes, a bumblebee. The stars at night, the sun so bright. My eyes help me see the light. Look around, what can you see? With my nose, I sniff the air. Flowers bloom and cookies there. I smell the rain, I smell the rose. So many scents tickle my nose. Take a sniff. Yummy? With my ears, I hear a song. Birds that chirp and drums go bong. A puppy bark, a doorbell ring. My ears help me hear everything. What's that sound? Shh, listen. With my hands, I touch and feel a fuzzy bear, a ball of steel. Soft or rough, or hot or cold, my hands help me feel and hold. Can you feel your shirt? Is it soft? With my tongue,